Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OneDrive file sharing permissions for team productivity step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Log into your Microsoft account if prompted. Locate the folder you wish to share within your OneDrive. Right-click on the folder to open the context menu. Select the Share option from the menu. In the sharing window, you'll see an option to invite people by entering their email addresses. Enter the email addresses of the team members you want to share the folder with. Below the email input, you'll find settings for permissions. Click on the drop-down menu that defaults to Can Edit. Choose Can View if you want to give them view-only access. Select Can Edit if you want to allow them full editing rights. Next, check the box that says Notify People if you want to send them an email notification. Add a personal message if desired, explaining the purpose of the share. Once you have configured the permissions and notifications, click the Send button. To adjust permissions for existing shares, right-click the folder again and select Share. In the sharing window, click on Manage Access. Here, you'll see a list of individuals and their permissions. To change permissions, select the individual and use the drop-down menu next to their name. You can also remove access by clicking the X next to their name. To share a link instead of inviting individuals, go back to the sharing window. Click on Anyone with the link can edit to customize link settings. You can set permissions, expiration dates, and password protection for the link. After adjusting settings, click Copy Link to generate the shareable link. Share this link via email, chat, or other communication platforms. Review shared content periodically to ensure team productivity remains optimal. That concludes the steps for setting up OneDrive file sharing permissions for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.